Welcome to Sons of Xplosions and greetings from Finnish forest!
That's right, and today we're gonna do something really epic, cause we're blowing up a huge pile of shit. And we share this moment with Tampere guys, Lauri and Antti! And that's gonna be super. So, what's your opinion of exploding shit?
Yeah, we have 3 tons of shit, which is, I think it's quite much.
It's enough.
It's much more than your typical like Taco Bell. Taco Bell shit. Yeah.
Here is my favorite product, Dynamite product. And it's a 1.5 kilo base charge, which we're hiding under the seat. But no, there is a base charge under.
Yeah.
Close the door with the belts, because we have to keep it really tight, everything around this, because the pressure is really huge when we fill this up. It's more than 3,000 kilo inside, so it's try to came through the walls.
Yeah.
That's why we have to use the belts and the ropes which keep this everything together. Oh my god! It's almost full! It's just like half a meter and it's overloaded of shit. Alright! So, are we ready, guys?
Yeah.
To blow up the 3 cubic meter of shit. And let's make a countdown! 3, 2, 1, and fire! That was a huge shit explosion!
Yeah.
Do you like this smell, Antti? This is something which is more than life.
How the fuck we should go to our cars across this?
It's like a minefield. You mean a minefield? So it's but result is actually what we expected.
Yeah.
Lots of shit everywhere.
Be careful, don't step on shit.
Right.
Yeah, that was quite good. what you call that.
I say actually it
Xplosion.
was perfect. I expected just like that and it was super cool. I say now we skip for a while these shit things because the smell and everything is so disgusting.
Yeah.
But now we done that and that's it.
Yeah.
And please write your best cheat joke in the comments.
Write a comment, subscribe us, and of course follow every one of us, our own channels, Beyond the Brace and Express channels, and Sounds of Explosions, of course.
And check also the shit video.
Yeah, we
It's
got
a link
also
in
shit
below.
video.
Yeah, that's right. You have to check that out. See you next time.
Pow!
Toilet seat, and we have bit of a problem. It won't flush, and it is full of shit. If the shit is not going down, then it has to be going up.
That